calling all new mamas, dads-to-be, moms-to-be, and everyone in between. Edamama is throwing a fun-filled event just for you, the new Mama Fair. Join us at the Tinoma Activity Center in Quezon City on June 28 to June 30, 2024 for 3 incredible days. We're talking huge discounts, up to 80% off on all your favorite parenting essentials from the top trusted brands. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your parenthood journey, this is the perfect place to stock up on everything you need and maybe even a few things you didn't know you needed. But hurry, space is limited. Make sure to register first for free on the link in the description below, on my bio, or in the comment section. We can't wait to see you there, mamas and papas. If you can't make it, don't worry. You can still buy discounted products on Edamama app. You can use my promo code on the screen for 15%